If you need a high quality sound effects, these 3 sites will make your job easier. First is Freesound. Freesound offers a huge library of free sound effects contributed by users worldwide. It's great for both beginners and pros. Second is Sound Bible. Sound Bible provides free sound effects and public domain sounds perfect for commercial use. Third is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is a paid service with the highest quality royalty-free sound effects and music for professional use. Follow me for more content like this.